All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw buildings behind buildings. So these shapes that are farther away from the vanishing point are going to be drawn a little bit differently than the ones that are closer to the vanishing point. So we'll start with this rectangle right here. I'm going to line my ruler up with the vanishing point in the corner of this building. I'm going to draw a line till it hits something. I'm not going to draw it through this shape. Don't draw any lines through the shapes. I'll line my next corner up, draw it till it hits a shape, and I'll draw this corner here till it hits a shape and stop. All right, you'll notice that there's an empty space all the way through here. So we got to draw the bottom of the building somewhere. And again, we're not going to draw this one because it would go through our shape, and we don't want that. So now I'm going to draw the bottom of the building. I'm going to imagine that the bottom of the building is back behind this and you can't really see it. All right, so I'll line my ruler up with the top of this building, slide it up, and I'm going to draw a line that goes across right here. So you can see the bottom of this building ends up there, and the line that I would draw that's parallel to this is kind of back behind this building, so you can't see it. So it's kind of hidden by both of those. I'll do another one. We'll try this one right here. Line the ruler up with the vanishing point in the corner of the building. And this line goes very close to the edge of the building. And then I'll line my ruler up with the edge of my building, slide it down. And I could leave it completely like that, and it looks like this building is just back behind those. But I'm going to put a little bit of a line right here so you can see the bottom of it. And it looks like there's a road going back behind there. And that's how to draw buildings behind buildings. I'm going to quickly jump over to this shape because many people have trouble with this shape because it's got a few more lines than a regular shape would have. You have to connect the outside corners and the inside corners of this shape. So you're going to draw a lot of lines to the vanishing point. There's even kind of a edge right there. All right, I'll start by lining my ruler up with the edge of this building, slide it down, draw a line parallel to that. Line my ruler up with the edge of the top here, start where I left off, and draw a line here. Now I've got to draw a line that's in here that's parallel to this side. Slide it down to where I left off. There. Oop, I forgot to put a line in here. One more. I'm going to line my ruler up with this edge. Slide it over to where I left off. Right there. Last one. Line my ruler up here. Slide it down to where I left off. There. All right, last step, get rid of everything that's left over. In the next video, I'll show you how to decorate these to make them look more like buildings instead of just shapes.